Check this out, Marley. Snap bracelets. Jackie, we need your wrist. Snap bracelet.
Oh yeah, so stylish, Marley. So very stylish.
Marley, I found your twin sisters. You're part of triplets. Yay! Oh, those are creepy. I don't like them, Jackie.
And show Shannon them.
I don't like them.
Alright,
Hi, Marley, we're bowling. I'm eating. Don't talk to me.
When you saw Kelly, you got all excited and now you're hungry.
Uh-huh. Hi, Marley. I went and got a kazoo. Mama G bought it for me. Yay! She has enabled me to annoy her the whole trip home with my songs. And it's unbreakable because it's metal. Ow! I think I don't have braces. It would have broken right there. Bye! Hi, Sam. Just a minute. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. Awkward, 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 awkward. I'm filming Mama D right now, getting close. Yes. That was Calvin Neesmith, and his link to his channel is down there somewhere.